Hi, welcome to my art channel. Thank you for joining me today. So it's been such a long time since I've seen you all. I haven't had any inclination to paint whatsoever. No, I don't know why. My mind's been totally blank. I haven't known what to do. I haven't felt like getting paint on me. I haven't felt like getting messy. So yeah, paint room has been closed. But I decided I must make myself paint, so I'm going to do something a little bit different. I want a background of very muted watercolour blended colours, and these are the colours that I've chosen to use. I think they'll look nice together. I'm going to be applying them with washing up sponges and using a brush to blend it as well, so it all blends beautifully. That is what I have in my mind. Hopefully it will turn out fine. And because obviously I want to be able to see this background, I need to have a clear pillow. So what I've mixed is Australian Floetrol with some art pouring medium, and in this case I used, the brand was Solid Solutions just because I had some, but you could use Liquitex pouring medium. You can just use US Floetrol because obviously that would be ideal as it is nice and thick. And I did also add a little bit of matte gel medium to thicken it up. So I put that in a cup, added some of my pouring medium and Floetrol to it, and kept mixing it until it was nice and combined, and then added that to my other mixture to thicken it up. Hope that makes sense. I did end up going over this 3 times to get the outcome that I wanted, but obviously there was no need to keep showing you the 3 times of me doing it. You got the gist of what I was doing. So I'm just showing you there the clear pouring medium. Obviously it looks white at the moment, but it dries clear. I added the matte medium because I didn't want it glossy, and that is TLP Rose Quartz, which is Interference Pinky Red. It's a little bit thick, so I just squirted a little bit of water. That's just water in my spray. I used, what else did I use? TLP Lemon Sorbet, Triart Liquid Mirror, Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold by Golden, Boom Gel Stain Lily Pilly Pink, and Boom Gel Stain Pearlescent Teal. And my cell activators were Atelier Rich Gold and Atelier Tintin Pearl Titanium White, both mixed with Australian Floetrol, approximately 2.5 parts of the paint to Floetrol. I don't measure, but I don't like it thin. I do like still to be some little bit of body to it because my paints are quite thick as well. And I'm using a hairdryer, and I also use my palette knives as well to manipulate the paint. And then once it's all dry, I embellished it with acrylic pens, and I will list them all in the description box. I use quite a few different colours. Artistro White, I think I use some Posca pens. I will need to look closely at the video what I use, but as I said, they'll all be listed in the description box. So I'll let you carry on watching, and once again, thank you all for being here with me. Appreciate you all so much, and sorry it's been a long time. Thanks guys. Hopefully see you all soon. Take care. Bye.
All I need from you to
you.